There should generally be a presumption against the removal of biological growths. Most are harmless. However, biological matter can obscure inscriptions and therefore justifies limited cleaning. But heavy soiling and biological growths which are causing harm to the memorial or accelerating deterioration should be removed. For example, moss retains moisture to the surface, which can cause problems. Algae and lichen aren't necessarily an issue, but it depends on the type. Certain lichens can cause surface damage. If assessment shows that removal is appropriate and necessary, the simplest approach involves physical removal of the thicker growths with wooden spatulas, followed by cleaning with water and non-metallic brushes or superheated steam cleaners. A growing concern for the environment has made the automatic use of biocides obsolete. Only products approved by the Pesticide Safety Directorate, part of the Health and Safety Executive, may be sold, supplied, stored, advertised or used in the UK. Legislation changes often, so always check first. Only professional products should be used in public or commercial situations, and the application of such biocides must comply with the conditions of approval relating to their use. There are additional restrictions placed on the use of biocides in or near watercourses. Before even considering biocide use, it's important to define what the actual problem is and what options there are for dealing with it. Biocides should be the last solution considered. If treatment with biocides is considered the only option, it should be prepared according to the manufacturer's instructions and then carefully applied to the stone surface by trained operatives. After several days, much of the dead biological growth can be removed through dry brushing with a stiff, bristled brush. The process can be repeated and a final application left on the surface to prevent regrowth. Cleaning may appear incomplete at first, but improvement subsequently occurs as the most tenaciously attached plants, lichens or algae, are gradually removed from the stone surface by weathering. Recolonisation of biological growths varies depending on the weather, type of stone, nutrients, pore structure and surface roughness. Some regrowth can be expected after 2 to 3 years, but if there is a significant amount within 6 months, it's likely that the product was unsuitable for the task. For further information about conserving war memorials, please go to our website. There you'll also find links to other organisations such as War Memorials Trust.